80 watts of bold sound minus 80 watts peak, 40 watts RMS power delivers maximum loudness via 2 satellite speakers and a large subwoofer. Enjoy rich, clear, bold sound. Small driver, tweeter, on satellite speakers is decorative and non-operational. Strong bass. The front-facing subwoofer produces rich bass, adding another dimension to your videos, games and music. Experience strong bass you can hear and feel. Versatile setup. Connect up to 2 compatible devices via the 3.5mm and RCA inputs. No need to disconnect when switching between audio sources. Simple controls, easily access power, volume and the headphone jack using the wired control pod. Adjust the bass level with the dedicated control knob on the back of the subwoofer. Headphone jack. Listen to your music privately via the headphone jack located on the front of the right speaker. Note: refer user manual before use. Front-facing subwoofer. 5-inch driver adds deep, intense bass to your music, movies and games. Convenient wired control pod. Easily access volume and power, plus a headphone jack for private listening. Adjustable bass control. Quickly boost the bass with a turn of the on-subwoofer control knob. Works with computer running on any major operating system, Windows, Mac, Chromebooks, smartphones, tablets, televisions, MP3 players, DVD, Blu-ray players, and game consoles such as PlayStation 3, Xbox 360. Top reviews from the United States. Great for the money. All in all, good speakers for the money. I had a 20-year set of Logitechs that was louder than these and the bass was better and deeper. I also read that people had issues with the volume controller, but I have no issue with it. Works great. The only issue is they are not loud. I have the speakers at full and I have to turn my computer up more than I had to with the 20-year-old Logitechs. And, like I said, the subwoofer just doesn't drive the bass out like the old set. Just not quite the same as the old Logitechs that I had, before a channel went out. For the $75, can't really say much bad for them. If you want loud and more bass, I guess you have to pay the money for them.